If you want to know what actually happens in Drishyam 2 the entire time, this is basically it. मैं बेकसूर हूँ, हमने किसी का खून नहीं किया. अब खून हुआ तो है पक्का किसी का, और मुझे ना शक अपनी बेटी पे है. हमें नहीं पता सैम की बॉडी कहाँ है. लाश गई तो गई कहाँ? ठीक है, पुलिस धर के ले जाएगी, समझ में आता है, अरेस्ट हो जाएंगे, पर मुझे तो बताना चाहिए था ना यार. प्लीज मेरी फैमिली को परेशान मत कीजिए. मैंने ना ये 3 पोटेंशियल लोकेशंस ढूंढे हैं लाश के. आप पुलिस को फोन लगाओ. हाय, आई एम प्रतीक्षा एंड यू आर वाचिंग आवर रिव्यू ऑफ दृश्यम 2. दृश्यम 1 ended with us finding out कि क्या हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, where the body is, genius move by the way, and all of that. So when Drishyam 2 got announced, my first reaction was कि सब तो बता दिया है, तो अभी बचा क्या है? Turns out बचा है बहुत कुछ. सैम की मौत को कुछ साल हो गए हैं एंड विजय सलगांवकर played by अजय देवगन has his own theater now. So लाइफ में काफी तरक्की हो गई है. His family, consisting of his wife Nandini, played by Shriya Saran, and their daughters Anuj and Anu, have fallen into whatever their new normal is. यहाँ तक तो सब ठीक है, बट ये कोई क्रिसमस रोम-कॉम तो नहीं बन रही है, तो कांड तो होके रहेगा. जो पहले फिल्म में इन्वेस्टिगेशन अधूरी रह गई थी, थैंक्स मोस्टली टू विजय's जीनियस माइंड, वो अब कंटिन्यू होगी एट द हैंड्स ऑफ अक्षय खन्ना's कैरेक्टर तरुण अहलावत. Akshay as the choice for this role is a very good one, by the way. His presence is so serious and somehow dangerous seeming, even when he's saying some very nice and calm things, and that's what his character is supposed to be. Also, Tabu is still there as Meera, Sam's mother and the former Inspector General of Police who was leading the investigation in the first film. But now it is her completely, it is her revenge era, और वो बदला पूरे सलगांवकर खानदान से लेना चाहती है. And on the other hand, विजय तो विजय है. He is still ready to do whatever it takes to protect his family. Drishyam 2 does well as a sequel because वो बात पे पहले फिल्म के flashbacks में नहीं जाती है. The film has trusted its audience कि पार्ट 2 देखने आए हैं तो पहला वाला तो देखा ही होगा, या नहीं देखा तो कहीं ना कहीं समरी पढ़ ली होगी. The first half of the film is a little slow and a little unhurried. Boring होने का danger है and some parts do seem like a little dragged on. But the film is setting up some very important plot threads here that will come by later. Director Abhishek Pathak has used an almost scientific focus to sketch out his film. हर चीज का किसी ना किसी और चीज से connection है. While some twists might be predictable, others are so absolutely not. But I'm sure there are some loopholes here and there, but with the larger picture in mind, you kind of let it go, because स्क्रीन पे थोड़ी बनाएंगे परफेक्ट क्राइम. सेकेंड हाफ में जब माइंड गेम्स और इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू होता है, द फिल्म रियली पिक्स अप एंड स्टेज अप फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट. आई डोंट लाइक हाउएवर दैट जो एंटागनिस्ट्स हैं, दे आर पेंटेड इन दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट लाइक जस्ट इविल. गिव मी मोर नुआंस, लिटिल स्पाइस. ह्यूज प्रॉप्स दो टू श्रेया सरन एंड इशिता दत्ता who plays the character of Anju for finding a way to portray their fears and concerns about this whole situation in their own ways, even when they're sharing the screen. I do appreciate that the film stays in its reality. Sure, at times I was like, कोई ठीक से check करो, कहीं नंदिनी sleeper agent तो नहीं है with the way she was behaving. But यार, that's the thing, right? They're just a normal family. They're not hardened criminals. Ajay Devgan as Vijay is great. Somehow the actor always looks alert, on guard, even around his very loving family. He has a looming presence near his own family, है ना, ऐसे conjuring वाला वो जो भूत था ना, वैसा types. Tabu as Meera as expected is wonderful. She's not a great character, but if anything it makes me want to see more of Tabu in these absolutely ruthless villainous roles. The cinematography by Sudhir Chaudhary is what thrillers need. मस्त ऐसा up shots हैं, POVs हैं, slow motion tracks throughout the film. But I generally believe the film could have done better with fewer slow motion shots. Devi Sri Prasad for the background score uses quintessential masala thriller notes, but in places it's a little too much. I genuinely believe that some thrillers benefit from silence and muted themes and tones sometimes. But here everything is too loud. Masa dhadan dhadan and like woo, it's all happening. If you watch the Malayalam original starring Mohanlal, you'll see the surprises coming. But if you haven't, तो बहुत मजे आएंगे. Drishyam 2 is no Drishyam, please, of course. That film is better than its sequel. But at the end of it, it's still immensely watchable. And that is why my rating for Drishyam 2 is 3.5 stars out of 5.